Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Mohammad Arrasyid Zakwan from 3BEES1/1. Okay, today I will present about my project, which is to develop a smart board checker to check the functionality of relay. Okay, my supervisor name is Technologist Wan Nur Hisham bin Abdul Rashid. Okay, I will present this presentation to my panel. For first panel is Sir Hafiz bin Sarkawi, and the second panel is IR Technologist Dr. Mohammad Fauzi bin Abdul Rahman. Okay, let's start to the project background. Okay, as all can know, relay are widely used in industrial sector. Okay, so if widely used in the industrial sector, the relay must have a malfunction, so it must be taken into account so it will have no damage occur. So for this project, we'll more focus on smart board to check the functionality of relay. Okay, it will show the relay in a good or poor condition. Okay, to know the malfunction of relay, it will be determined by check the current, how much current can pass through it. Okay, so let's go to the problem statement. Okay, the problem statement first. It has problem to detect the functionality of relay. Second one, it has no display value of current to determine the value of current in the relay can get. And the third, it has no indicator as a hint to show the condition of relay. Okay, next. I will proceed to the objective. Okay, my first objective is to design a smart board checker to check the functionality of relay. Second, it will detect the value of current. And the last one, it will give a beep sound if the relay is not in a good condition. Okay, let's go to the scope project. Okay, first, I will use Arduino Uno as a microcontroller, and then LCD will display the value of current. And the last one, okay, I will use a buzzer to give a hint if the relay is in a bad condition. Okay, next, I will go to the methodology for the flow chart. Okay, for the first one is we go to the start, and then I will design the circuit. Then I will go to the simulation. If it's in bad condition, it will troubleshoot and it will design back a circuit. Then it will go to the simulation. If it's good, I will design the hardware. Then I will get if the hardware is not in a good condition, it will troubleshoot again to design a new hardware. And then if the hardware is a good, then I will collect the data to put in my report, and okay, so I will go to the block diagram. Okay, this is my block diagram. As you know, firstly we go to power supply to activate the Arduino Uno microcontroller, and it will give a LCD display, indicator and buzzer as an output. And then it has a reset button to reset back the Arduino. And then I have to put relay to be checked. Okay, so we go to the software. First, I will use Proteus to construct my circuit, and then Arduino IDE to construct the coding. Okay, for the schematic diagram, this is my circuit that I have construct on the Proteus. Okay, this is the initial result. It will show the value of current and then it will show the condition of relay. Okay, so for the conclusion, okay, this project is upgraded from the previous project. So this project is to check the functionality of relay by checking the current value, how much can through it. Okay, and the last one I will present to you about my Gantt chart from BDP 1 until BDP 2. Okay, this is my circuit. Okay, as you can see, no, this my circuit is to check the malfunction of relay or to check the functionality of relay. Okay, as you know, this is the LCD to display the value of current and to show the function the condition of relay. Okay, this is relay to activate this relay, which is this relay is used to check if the relay is function or not. Okay, this is ACS712, which is current sensor to detect the value of current that flow in this relay. Okay, this is a buzzer to give a hint if the relay is not in a good condition. This is a LED to give an indicator if the relay is not in a good condition or malfunction. Okay, this is the reset button to reset back the data. Okay, so let's run the circuit. Okay, first I have to put the hex file. Okay, put the hex file and I will run the circuit. Okay, it will show the on the LCD. Okay, as you know, the show is 0.03 ampere, which is I use Ohm's law, which is V over R, to get the value of current. So the value of voltage that I put is 12 volt and the relay is 400. So it will divide and then it will put 0.03 ampere. From my research, relay 12 volt is in a good condition is around 30 milliampere until 100 milliampere. Okay, so for this condition, the relay is in a good condition. So I need to change the value of resistor. Okay, value of resistor, let me put 1000. Okay, if I put 1000, so it will detect like this value of current, and then it will show the relay is faulty, and then the LED will turn on, the buzzer will give a sound. Okay, let's go to the coding. Okay, this is the coding that I use to make the circuit function. Okay, as you can see, this is to give a command to the LCD. Okay, this is I declare for relay pin, LED pin and the buzzer pin. Okay, this is for the display on the LCD. Sorry for this one. So this is we declare as an output pin. Okay, this is we declare if the relay high. So for this in this condition, so this is the format, the formula that we use to detect for the current sensor. Okay, so this is the coding to know the current for relay. Okay, if the value of current in the relay is below than 0.03, it will show the value of current here. Okay, and then it will show relay is faulty. So if average the average is more than and equal 0.03 and average is low than and same 0.1, so the current value will show here, and then the condition of relay is good. Okay, is the average is more than 0.1, the value of current will show here, and then it will show relay is faulty, and the LED will high, the buzzer will be high. Okay, so that's all for my simulation progress. Now we will go to the question and answer session. Okay, for the first question is reinstate your project objective. How do you conduct methodology based on project objective? Okay, my first project objective is to design a smart notebook checker to detect the malfunction of relay. Second is to detect the value of current to determine the function of relay. And the last one is to give a beep sound if the current is not in a good condition as a hint that relay is broken. Okay, so how I conduct methodology based on project objective. I conduct it by for the first objective. Okay, I will use Arduino Uno as a microcontroller to control the smart notebook checker. Okay, for the second one is to for my second objective is it will detect the value of current using ACS 712, which is it is a current sensor, and then it will show it on the LCD. For the third is for my third objective, so I will use buzzer to give a hint that if the relay is broken. Okay, so we go to the next question, which is how to measure the achievement of project objective, and then please explain. Okay, so I will how to achieve is I will use current sensor, which is ACS 712, to detect the current for the relay. Okay, so for the current, the best current for relay is from 0.03 ampere till 0.1 ampere, and it will display it on the LCD. Okay, and then I will achieve my project objective. For number 3 is I will use a buzzer to give a hint if my relay is in a not good condition. Okay, so for my objective, I have completed by around 60% because I have done my design circuit, I have done for the simulation part, uh, then hardware I haven't done yet, and I haven't done yet about the type of relay because I have more focus on the car relay, which is automotive relay. Okay, for the coding part I have done, but maybe for the next semester I'll have to change a little bit for the coding to make it tidy. For now the coding is perfect, it can run based on my objective. Okay, for the third question is suggest idea how to commercialize your product. Okay, I want to commercialize my product to automotive industry because automotive relay is common to find faulty relay in car. So if the mechanic want to change the relay, he doesn't know if the relay is good or not. If by using this project, it will easier to detect and it will show the value of current for the relay. So the mechanic will know the relay is good or not before it change or throw it. Okay. Second one, it is also portable because I will create the product into a small, not too big, and it's easier to bring anywhere. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.